How to edit your profile details on Bumble. Want to update your Bumble profile details? Let's do it in just a few steps. Open the Bumble app, then tap the profile icon in the bottom left corner. Tap Edit Profile button or Complete Profile button. Now you can change everything from your photos to your bios. To update your name, gender, birthday, tap the appropriate section and make changes. Keep in mind, some details like your birthday can only be changed once, so double check before saving. Scroll down to edit your bio. Just tap add something fun, professional, or even witty one-liner. Hit save. Next, adjust your work, education, location, gender, hometown. Just tap the field, type in new detail and save. You can also update your interest and lifestyle preference like height, exercise, star sign, drinking, smoking. These make your profile more engaging. And that's it. Your profile Bumble is updated and ready to attract new matches. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out more quick guides. Catch you in the next one.